Pfizer came up with the Omicron vaccine faster than you might think, and Farmville is getting sold. Coming up here on The Jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 8:33 here in the middle part of the country on Monday. Happy Monday to you. It is January 10th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Let's start off with Pfizer. Their CEO came out here this morning, said they have vaccine technology to defeat Omicron. That's a very good thing. It is going to keep systematic infection down in about 75% of the population. Right now, about 10 or 20% of the population that is regularly vaccinated don't show symptoms of Omicron. That's a very good thing, even if it's not a very deadly disease from a raw numbers perspective. It's still nice to not get symptoms, right? You don't want to be sick. Looks like their booster doses are going to be available as early as March, getting these vaccinations out in a quick time. Really, it's a 90-day turnaround from when they first started working, December or so, till they're rolling them out in March. It's quite a marvel of technological innovation. Pfizer continues to lead the way on the vaccination effort. Couple of deals here on Merger Monday. First one of the year, really. Of course, last Monday, everybody was coming off of the New Year's holiday. Not a lot of activity. Today, not so fast. We've got lots of stuff here. A couple of highlight enterprise products buying Navitas for $3.3 billion. Navitas has got about 1,700 miles of pipe in the Permian Basin. Enterprise expects it to increase distributions on a go-forward basis to their shareholders. Natural gas, oil plays look to be a little bit attractive here in 2022, especially if we get this combination of increased energy usage that we see after pandemics historically and under supply in the oil patch. That sends prices higher. You might see transporters really get a good benefit if those supplies need to be ratcheted up in a quick fashion and brought to market. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Monday, Take-Two is buying Zynga for $12.7 billion. Zynga, of course, they're the makers of Farmville. Will You Water My Crops? Do you remember that from a decade or more ago? Yeah, they're now one of the biggest mobile gaming companies, and actually a company that's on our opportunity list. So a nice early acquisition for one of our names on that list. Zynga, of course, shares are going to be acquired at $9.86 a share, about a 64% premium to the trading on Friday. Zynga, now part of Take-Two Interactive. If you want some additional stories and thoughts throughout the week, look on the internet. You're sure to find me there somewhere. Until then, hope you have a very good Monday. I am out.